Welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. It's been a minute since I've done any costumes, and with the Deadpool Wolverine movie coming out, and I think I got like about a week and a half left, I've had the idea to do some X-Men costumes. So what one that I want to do, and that is going to be a part of today's video, is Cable. I've always liked the character and the costumes, the weaponry, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to convert some NERF and water guns into the weapons that I'll use for this Cable costume. Here in Wisconsin, we have a couple of events coming up. We have the Deadpool Wolverine movie coming, which I want to attend in costume. I'll probably go as Wolverine. But we also have a Wisconsin Comic-Con that's coming up in October, and this will give me a couple of choices. I mean, I don't know. I think it's going to be like 3 days long, so that gives me the opportunity for at least 3, if not more, costumes that I could wear. I could wear to the event and switch it up and not be in the same thing. But anyway, I would like to record the process of doing these weapons. So as you can see, the big one on the bottom, that is a NERF rifle. I wanted something that was going to be lightweight and also look, kind of futuristic, and NERF does a really good job of that. And then also there were a couple of water pistols that were used out at the lake that got caked up with sand, so they don't work anymore. And then me, it's like, wow, what can I convert them into? I don't think Cable carries little handguns, but I just figured, with all the different weapons he has on his costume, it would be something cool to add to it, to give it my own twist. This rifle that'll be used like a handgun is going to be the key piece for me. But anyway, let's get into this. Okay, so I duct taped off the areas that I don't want to get paint on. I have like several cans that I think I'm going to be using in this process, different grays, metallics, and so forth. I don't know that I necessarily want it to look more realistic. I'm just going to play around with the paint and figure out what the final look will be. Okay, I'm going to start by laying down a coat of primer. I'm going to let that dry and then come back and start playing with other colors. And here's the finished product. Well, semi. I'm gonna see if I can add some lights to the handgun, and probably this assault rifle. That would be really cool if I could light this up too. But because I left some of the plastic unpainted in the nose, I should be able to bring it into any any kind, even though anybody who can't tell that these are water guns or Nerf guns probably don't need to be doing security. But anyway, my first weapons for my cable costume, and I'm sure I'll probably find another cosplay that I could use these with. But anyway, thanks for watching Master of None, and more videos coming soon.